Wait, you're telling me these pistachio shells are going to become that?
Yes, by the end of this video, you will never throw pistachio shells again. And to make this, we need only few items: cardboard, pistachio shells, acrylic paint, and some pearl beads. That's it. First, I'm starting with cutting a semicircle, which I drawed on the thick cardstock. And in the bottom, I'm cutting a very small semicircle. Then I'm folding it in the shape of a cone with the use of hot glue. And this will be the base frock for our fairy doll.
Small correction, honey. Make sure that surfaces or even...
Yes, the surfaces should be flat, so I'm cutting excessive pieces. Now I'm sticking this cone to another cardstock. This will be the base for our fairy frock. Now I'm drawing the outline of fairy from the frock. Cone, body and head should be in the same line, exactly at the center. I'm drawing 4 wings, which will look like they are on the back of fairy doll.
Now the outline is perfect, so you can cut now.
Now it's painting part. I'm coloring the entire fairy doll with acrylic colors. First I'm starting with peach color for skin.
Now comes the fun part. We'll glue the pistachio shells layer by layer.
Always start from the bottom and overlap layer by layer.
Like roof tiles.
Exactly, that gives a beautiful layered effect. Now overlap the first layer with the second layer.
It is slowly turning into a beautiful fairy frock. Oh, it's awesome.
After adding layer by layer, see how beautiful is this fairy frock, isn't it awesome? Here I am covering top, body and frock with 2 pistachios. Now the basic structure of our fairy doll is ready. So now it's wing part. I am adding pistachio shells again to cover total wings.
Arrange the shells like flower petals.
Don't arrange pistachios like we did for frock. We should turn the pistachios up, like flipping. Similarly, do on the other side. Now I'm applying gold acrylic color to the hair of fairy. And also paint the shoes of fairy with same gold acrylic color. I'm applying gold color only to outline of wings. Don't apply in the inner part.
That shine changes everything. A few pearls.
Here as a waist belt, I'm adding some pearls. These pearls bring shiny look to fairy. To hang it on the wall, I'm making hanger with threads by adding 3 layers, and I will stick this on the back of fairy. To make hanger more strong, I'm adding a small strip of cardboard on the back of hanger so that it gets strong and don't fall.
I honestly can't stop looking at it. Let us know in the comments, would you decorate your home with this fairy? What should we transform next? Plastic spoons? Paper cups? Coconut shells? Or something even crazier?
Don't forget to follow our channel for more interesting DIY videos. See you in the next craft. Bye bye.